In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Truist bank account online. Whether you're switching banks or simply no longer need your Truist account, I'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure a smooth and hassle-free process. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Truist Bank. It's a good practice to ensure you're visiting the official Truist website, so look for the URL with truist.com to be certain you're in the right place. Once the official site is up, you'll want to look toward the top of the home page for the contact link. Clicking on this link will direct you to various ways to get in touch with Truist customer service, which is an essential part of closing your account online. As you arrive on the contact page, you'll notice there are several options available. If you're in a hurry or have specific concerns that might need immediate attention, there's a main contact number displayed prominently on the page. Give them a call during their operating hours if you prefer resolving issues over the phone. It's reassuring to know that they have both regular and dedicated domestic contact numbers depending on your location, so make sure to choose the one that best suits your needs. For your convenience, Truist customer service is available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, giving you ample time throughout the week to connect with them. If you're busy during the work week, you can also call on Saturdays between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. EST. Keep in mind that on Sundays, support is more limited, providing only 24-hour automated assistance. This might be useful, but for closing an account, talking directly to a representative during their regular hours is typically more efficient. If you prefer a more personal touch or have any complex issues, consider visiting a branch in person. When deciding to go this route, making an appointment can save you time and ensure that a representative is ready to assist you. Additionally, consulting with an advisor at the branch can offer valuable insights and help make the account closure smoother. They can handle any paperwork and answer any questions you might have face to face. Finally, when speaking with a Truist representative, whether it be over the phone or in person, be specific about your intent to close your account. This clear communication is crucial for a seamless account closure experience. Taking these steps will guide you in effectively closing your Truist bank account online. Be sure to have your account information handy to streamline the process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you exactly how to go about closing your account with Truist Bank.